The history of Rowes Wharf goes as far back as the American Revolution. As iconic as this area is from just a Boston skyline on architecture, what's also very unique is the work these folks have done to really reduce their carbon footprint.
Eversource has been a very important partner with all these capital projects that we have going on. It's sort of a match made in heaven.
It really is a landmark in the city, and whenever you see Boston portrayed nationally, usually you see people looking at the city from the ocean, and the Boston Harbor Hotel is right there front and center.
JLL, or Jones Lang LaSalle, is the manager of this property, and we've worked with them in a number of other areas. And they're very forward-thinking, committed to energy reduction.
5 years ago, we were on the eve of a huge overhaul of all of our mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. After we did the cooling tower right before 2020, we started to get into our air handlers, and from there we went to our chiller plant. We did a replacement of our domestic water pump system, all the outdoor lighting, LED lighting, garage lighting.
We use quite a bit of energy, as you can imagine. The energy efficiency initiatives that JLL has introduced here at Rowes Wharf have really been very impactful to the hotel.
So there is a building like this with the multi-use tenancy, whether it's hotel, offices, residences. The systems that heat and cool this building are pretty complex and sophisticated. That's where the expertise of a property manager like JLL comes in. Their ability to choreograph all that is something they do well. What we bring as Eversource is our expertise in energy.
We have 3 buildings. We have the Atlantic Avenue building, the Central Wharf building, North Wharf building. But mechanically speaking, it's laid out in such a way that it is possible for us to maintain the whole thing as one cohesive unit.
In New England, we have very old building stock. What we want folks to understand is there's still a ton of opportunity to really reduce your energy footprint, reduce your carbon footprint.
Eversource came to us and said, we have this program. We can provide you with all of this electric infrastructure. All you have to do is provide the charging stations. That's a no-brainer for us.
Eversource also assisted Rowes Wharf in installing 20 charging stations in multiple levels of the garage, not only for residents, but also hotel guests and the general public. They have the ability through the program to also expand that.
The costs of energy are rising. People are becoming aware of what our energy usage is doing to the planet.
Energy efficiency helps keep the demand low on the overall electric system and reduces the need for additional generation, which is still fueled by fossil fuels.
We have repeatedly been able to show to our customers who are leaning in on this is you are leaving a lot of money on the table. It's not an ideology, it's just common sense. Just reduce waste.
We're reducing our carbon footprint, and certainly what JLL has done with the help of Eversource has been hugely beneficial to our business.
The whole Eversource team has been wonderful to work with. My message to other buildings, other property managers, other engineering teams is don't wait. Don't put off till tomorrow what can be done today.